Hello, it's time for a new video, and this time I'm going to share you this Fancy Pants design collection kit. It's the Amber Autumn collection kit. And first of all, I have to say it's sponsored because I am a member of the Fancy Pants design team. How excited! I'm super happy and I can't wait. And they sent me a lot of paper and also this Amber Autumn collection kit, and this is the first one I'm going to share with you because I'm going to craft with it. So here we go, and it's included 12 by 12 double-sided papers. Its cardstock is really thick, and you've got 2 of each designs, a sticker sheet, of 73 pieces. So on the stickers. So yeah, let's go. Now, well, we are going to start with this really cute enamel stickers, beautiful colors. And yes, look, you can see this collection. Those colors are just so beautiful. It's so warm. I really love it. And well, let me start with the paper and with the stickers. Look, isn't it super pretty? I really love the colors. The yellow, the pink, the orange. Maybe it's a 70s vibe, but I mean, it's so gorgeous. I really love it. So cute, so much fun, beautiful. Well, you already can see the theme of this paper. And now look at this. Isn't it pretty? And it's so sturdy. Quality is really good. I really love it. And it's acid and lining free, but you can feel it's so beautiful. And as I said, you will get 2 each of 6 designs. So I'm going to show you all the designs. Beautiful. Then this is the back of it. Look how 70s, but I really love it. Then we've got this gorgeous pumpkin patch. Beautiful. Love it. Those colors, my favorite. Those are really beautiful. It's really different, but I like it. I really love red and yellow. It's a gorgeous combination. Then we've got something really different. Look how beautiful. Pink, blue, gorgeous color. You can see how diverse it is. And this one, oh my goodness, those colors. Aren't they pretty? Really love it. And then we've got this one. Another one who is really different, but oh my goodness, those colors, love it. Or this mushroom paradise, isn't it gorgeous? I think it's so beautiful. Love it. And another thing that strikes me is just this bar. On the other side of this paper there is their logo, but here it's just like this, and I really like that. Love it. And then we've got this checker plate, which is beautiful. It also has a little bit of a vintage feeling, but I think it's also really modern. I really love it. It's warm. Look, this, oh, so beautiful, those colors. Really love it. And this one isn't, oh, this is just amazing. I think this is so gorgeous. Really love it. And I'm not a scrapbook kind of creative girl, as I can say. But I mean, I don't make any layouts. Sometimes I try, but it's really something I have to learn. But this, all for layout, beautiful, love it. And then we've got this one. Aren't those colors gorgeous? Some orange. This hand, I love it. Then we've got the paper. Gorgeous. Yay. And also it comes with, well, those you've seen and those 3 packages. And I'm going to start with the foam stickers. But look, so beautiful. And I really love, there are so many sentiments. Apple cider, wild at heart. Love it, hot cocoa. Gorgeous. Oh, this is so beautiful. Beautiful colors. Yep, love it. Pumpkins. Then we've got a sticker book and some ephemera pieces. And the sticker book, here you can see what's inside, but I will open it. So beautiful, gorgeous. And of course you can use your stickers in your crafts. You can just sticker it on your paper, but you also can make ephemera of it. So you can put it on some paper, then you can fussy cut it. So that's something I really much do. Oh, look, so pretty. Really sturdy, love it. I love it when it feels good. Gorgeous. Then we've got those fun letters. Look at those. How cool. Yay, love it. What's this? So cute. Love those leaves. Daydreaming the day away. Beautiful colors. Oh, gorgeous. Is there another one? Yep. Or is it just one? No, there are two. Oh, look. Beautiful mushrooms. Beautiful. On those leaves, of course. Well, this is something you can fussy cut when you're putting this on just plain cardstock. You fussy cut and you've got gorgeous embellishments. Also, this is perfect, of course, on your paper, but just a tip. And there's another one. Yes, some flowers. Beautiful. Love the sunflower. Gorgeous. Love it. And then we've got those beautiful ephemera, and I will show you. So much. Beautiful. And I will get them out of the package. So what are your thoughts about, ooh, all kind of small, look, oh, so many small pieces. Oh, this is a lot, wow, 115 pieces, look, gorgeous, beautiful, mushrooms. This definitely is my favorite. Beautiful. What else inside? Well, you can see it's a lot. I won't show everything because all those. Oh well, as I said, you can fussy cut the stickers. You don't need to because look, so many in the ephemera pieces. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. It's a lot. My little sunshine. Oh, this owl. Look, so pretty. Feeling fall. Well, I am today because it's really getting colder. Love it. Oh, super cute Bambi. Brave the day. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is also really pretty. Oh, look at this one. Oh, well, you can see there is a lot in it. Maybe I should have placed it on a tray for my next video. That's what I'm going to do because I've never had so many ephemera in one package. Gorgeous. Yay. Sun is for play. I wish I was with you. So sweet. Wilderness. Oh, gorgeous. Yep. This is just amazing. I really love it. Look. Beautiful colors. I really love the colors they have used. So this is my first unboxing. Next time I will put ephemera on a tray. But yeah, it's all about finding my way. So thank you for watching. And of course you can follow Fancy Pents designs on their Instagram. Take a look of it because there are so many great crafters. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.